Was there a Dorito in my teeth? Hey babe, how are you? How's your morning? How's your afternoon? How's your night? I know some of y'all watch me at like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, which we'll discuss later, because why you watch me during demon hours? Do you, babe? But like, before we get into this video, you know, for the new girlies, for the girlies in the back, you know that I post every Wednesday and Saturday at 12 p.m. Central Time. Kansas Central Time, period. 12 p.m. Wednesday, Saturdays, look out for me. Or just hit that bell. You know, we want to keep up. We want to keep up. You feel me? But yeah, because I know YouTube be trying to hide sis. They be trying to hide me in the shadows. Don't let me seep into the shadows. Now, as y'all saw by the title of today's video, it's going to be something a little special. A little special. It's a room tour. No one asked, but I'm giving it to you anyway. Because I have put my heart and my soul into how my room looks. It's pretty much, my room is very much an embodiment of me. Yeah. Ow. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna take it over to tour Anye, and we're gonna get into it. Enjoy. So here's the door. So boom, let's start right here. So right here I have my bag. I always keep my bag like on the back of the door for the simple reason I feel like I just need it here. That way I can remember like when I leave that I can just grab it. Cause like this, y'all know Big Blue. Y'all done seen Big Blue before. We already know her. So you see this? It leads all the way up here. Let's go. Ba-dum! The LEDs, they stop right there. But hold on. They also stop right there. But you know what? I'm sorry. It's ghetto. Cause you know what? When I bought the pack, I bought them before we moved. So like I didn't know my room's gonna be this big. So like bear with me. Can y'all see me? And there's the LED lights. Then we move over here to this corner of the room. Let's back up. Let's give her a little taste. Badum. So this is my 5-headed lamp. Isn't she cute? I love the fact that it has like multiple colors because y'all will see here in a second, like as we go on, that I just love stuff with color. So like this is so cute to me. And it has like 3 light settings, but I'm not gonna show y'all, but it's cute. She's real cute. Then we have my little Stitch thing. Fun fact, I used to have a Stitch obsession and I can't explain why. I swear, you can ask anyone I went to middle school with. I used to wear Stitch shirts religiously. Okay, next we have my whiteboard. Y'all can't see too much. This thing says 2020 is the year of Anye, and I want y'all to keep that in mind because that's the energy we're getting all year. Ooh, y'all see my business? You're my business. Don't do that. Period. So let's go. Up here, y'all know I'm a little bit of a nerd. I'm a little bit of a geek. You know, we love us some sci-fi movies, stuff like that. I'm actually like a super huge Marvel fan. And my favorite superhero, actually, my favorite is Captain America. But I think I might actually like Vision too. So like, we'll just stay that for another day. Let's move down right here. I actually got this a minute ago from Walmart. I love this so much. It's like I don't know. Like I feel like in my past life was like some old rich lady from France. So I feel like this is what it's giving. This is giving my past life in France in like the 1920s. Now, let's move on down. These are my children. Say hello. Oh. Bye, turkey. Period. These are my kids. Say hi. Say hi. Fine, don't say hi. So let's introduce them. This is Kenny the koala. This is Dumbo. Jesus Christ, you ain't gonna sit up? This is Slush. Oh my God, he is a real OG. I've had him since like 2016, and I refuse to let him leave my sight. That's my best friend. I love him. This is King Louie, and like clearly y'all see that these are like Disney inspired names. Mine is Slush. He literally came with that name, and I was like, okay, makes sense. Slush, Husky, Tundra, Cold, Shivering, that's what it gave. So King the Koala from Jessie, then Dumbo from the movie Dumbo, and then King Louie. If y'all have never seen the movie Jungle Book, We Cannot Be Friends, go watch it. Let's move. This is the mirror. Oh, y'all see my pajama pants? Stop playing with me. I know I wasn't supposed to show up in the video today. My Rick and Morty poster, but let's get into the ambiance right here. Boom. Oh my God, there's still like tape and stuff up here from like when I did that photo shoot thing. I'm insert pictures, but like that's where that came from. So that's a little ghetto, don't look. But yeah, and you see the Christmas lights are kind of like, oh yes, she's giving ambiance, dear. But yeah, it's my Rick and Morty poster. Her. Brie, if you're watching this, I thought about you when I got this. So up here it says Big Pimpin' Boulevard. Yeah, cause she's giving big pimp energy. Yeah, look at me. Big pimp. What was that? Big pimp? Yeah, all of that. So there we go. And then we have the Christmas lights and we have my closet. We're not going in there, so let's move right on over here. You already know who this is. If you have watched me, if you know me, we've been through this multiple times, you know who that is. This is the Muhammad Ali poster. My mom got this for my birthday. That says, you don't lose if you get knocked down, you lose if you stay down. I was like, yes, Mr. Muhammad, yes. Right here, I have preached, I have said it before. The Karate Kid. Now, I'm not talking about the like 2011 one or whatever with Jaden Smith. I'm talking about the original Mr. Ralph Macchio. Yeah, get into it. Then move on down, let's trickle on down to my little art studio. It's actually a bunch of art supplies on a cooler, but like, it's so cute to me. So here like some unfinished paintings. I don't know what I was going for with this one. Like, I don't know how to paint faces, so like that's what I was trying to do. And then I don't even want to talk about that. But yes, look, I got a little Reese's box. Like, I have literally, okay, so I got watercolors in the back. I got oil paints right here. I got acrylic paints right here. I got like one thing of like black tempera paint for whatever reason. I got some more watercolors, some more brushes. And then we move over here. Let's back up. So then like over here we have a little disco ball, and I be turning that on at night, and that she be looking so, she gives the room a spice at night. You see what I'm saying? She gives it a spice. Now over here we have like the canvases and stuff like that. My mom got me some of those canvases. Some of those canvases came from my grandma, and then those, what are those called? Easels. Those easels also came from my grandma when she got her. She had found like some stuff in storage from when I was like younger. Those were the easels for those canvases. Okay, it doesn't even matter. That's the junk chair. I don't even want to talk about it. It's literally there for, it just holds a bunch of stuff. Okay, so I like to call this, you know, my Afrocentric wall. Oh, let's back up. Let's give her a little feel. First and foremost, we have our nice Lion King poster. Love this. I actually did not like this movie, but I like the original cartoon. So I was like, whatever. And my mom also got this for my birthday. And then boom, we already know who this is. We've spoken on him before. That's an artiste. That is an artiste. I went to this record store and my mom was like, you see anything you want? Get it. I got that. What's it say? Hold on, let's get into it. Let's get in close. All songs written, produced, and arranged by Tyler Oakham. Thank you, period. These are my, I don't know, these are my African queens. See, they're my girl. These are my ancestors. They watch over me at night. I love them. Oh my God, I actually bought this with my own Pizza Hut earned money. Cash. It wasn't cash, it was card, but like whatever. Next, don't forget your roots. Enough explained. Enough explained. Walmart. It was cheap. Go get it. Let's back up. Let's back up. The bed. She's, I don't know. But this is her. Yeah. Nice pillow top, I think. Something like that. I don't know. But yeah, this is her. And I have like these, oh, okay, the curtain's a little ghetto right now, but like, I like to look like a princess. So fun fact, these are actually like, what are these again? These are actually window curtains. Why did I forget what a window curtain is called? Let me come over here. Oh, she's dusty. Washing gumball, mind your business. And when I went Christmas shopping with my mom, I got these LED lights and I put them on back of my TV. It gives the girls ambiance. Then we have wax melted thingies, some wax, some face masks. We can go up. This is the cleanest wall in my room. It's just butterflies. And I like to keep it just butterflies, period. TV, butterflies, LED lights. Next over here, we have our lovely, what is this? Lava lamp. I forgot what that was. No, this beauty right here. Some of the pictures are falling off, and I think it's because of the vent right there, but like whatever. But look, this is my picture wall. I'm gonna hit y'all with a cute little tidbit right here. You know, on Shutterfly, you can get free prints. All of these were like $40, and this is over 300 pictures. So get you on some Shutterfly. Download the app and get onto that. This is over 300 pictures, all different aesthetics. Some of these are 90s. Like, hold on, let's get into it. 90s. Some of these are just like photographs I really like, because I'm into photography. Some of the stuff is just like aesthetic. Some of the stuff is like cartoons. All this good stuff. I love all of this. It's literally my brain in photographs. I love this so much. This is my favorite part of the room. This is what I like to call my stand museum. My camera stand. My wig. Okay, now this is Bethany. Her name is Bethany. Bethany's a little stand because y'all remember when I dyed my hair red? I'll put it like in the, I'll link it, cards or something. But here it is. But yeah, this is Bethany. She's a little tore up, but it's all right. This is ring light number 1. Ring light number 2, which pretty much just holds bonnet and scarves. And then this old creaky raggedy chair. Now this is where the magic happened. How y'all doing? I changed it around. Oh, this is ugly, so it's right there. I changed this around because it used to be a lot different. But yeah, that's where I put all my makeup and stuff. That's my camera. We'll talk about her later. I'm finna make it like how I take my Instagram pictures. You know, with this beauty right here, it's like a Canon T6 or something like that. And it's strictly for photography, which is why I don't use it to film. But yeah, that she's gonna be featured a little later on. But yeah, these are my brushes. I actually have them categorized by like how often I use them. So these are my everyday brushes. And then these two are basically like brushes that I use, but like only for like special occasions. Powders, my makeup wipes, blending stuff, nail polish. Then we have the palette, setting spray, primer, contour, lashes, contour, more palettes, candles, seashells. I actually got this from Dollar General out in South Carolina. Vicky got those. Thank you, Vicky. Then we have, everything is organized. So this like eye stuff, like this is like eyeliner, mascara, lash glue. She's a little beat up. We have foundations. This is rattling. Calm down, love. God. It's like highlighter. These are like small. These like, this is the first makeup like eyeshadow palette I ever got. Okay, and that one too. But like, oh my God, look, we've upgraded. These are lashes and like these really ugly blend. I don't even use these anymore. But like lashes, individual lashes, mink lashes. Thank you. This is miscellaneous stuff. Like I got Neutrogena stuff right here that I don't use because it makes my skin break out. Lip gloss, sunglasses. My rings are in here. Tweezers, nail clippers, you know, the works. Then we have these drawers. Okay, I can't open that because it's a little stuck, but we have nails, lashes, blending stumps. Then I think this is like makeup remover. So yeah, all of that. Then we come over here. We have more makeup, contour, setting spray. This is more foundation, concealers, glitters, setting spray. I think this is primer. I have like little stones down here. It's a hot mess. Then we come over here. And this is, oh my God, I got this. Oh my gosh, fun fact. On Christmas Eve, me and my mom, like they were closing like super early. So my mom was like, hurry up and grab something. So I just grabbed this and it stinks. Like I don't even like this. Berry cheesecake, ew. We have my LED remote. I like to keep it right here. Then we have my mirror. Then we have earrings and all my necklaces. I actually got all these necklaces from Shein back when their necklaces were like $1 and some change. Like yeah, that's where these came from. Then right here we have more makeup. So this is like, these are like the first foundations I ever got. The concealers, eyebrow pomades, highlight, bronzer. Then right here's like all my lip stuff, so like lip glosses, lipsticks, more lip gloss, lip balm, chapstick, all that good stuff. Down there's my sunglasses, but like I can't open them. Then I got some Bath and Body Works right here. Then we move over to the train wreck that is my desk. So this is I actually got this for Christmas, and this is a salt rock lamp. Yeah, it's all of that. We have colored pencils, we have a cup. I actually only use this cup, it holds bracelets. I actually made this in sewing class. I failed sewing, but like this is a pin cushion, and there's a candle back here. The pins, I keep all my pins here. These are like old paint brushes. These are the paint brushes that I use for my wigs, right there. MacBook, let's close her up. Those are my earrings with like also like push pins and stuff. This is like a pencil sharpener, highlighters, books, movies. See, look, I told y'all over here, these are fake flowers that I have used like on Instagram and stuff like that before. If you haven't checked out the Instagram, check out the Instagram. More flowers. I actually made these flower hair clips. Like I made these by myself, like a hot glue gun and some bobby pins. If you want to see those pictures, they're on Instagram. Oh, let's get into her. Let's get into her real quick. The same day I got that Tyler the Creator vinyl is the same day that I bought this. I bought this straight out of nostalgia. If y'all know who Wow Wow Wubsy is, an absolute legend. It sits here for decoration. Crayons, calculator. Ooh, child, mind your business. I have like a little mermaid calendar, but like I don't even use it. Up here, like some cards and stuff that my family got. Yeah, my mom got me this for Valentine's Day. Then my grandma got me this for this Easter, my birthday. My grandma sent me this for my birthday. I just loved how she wrote my name and everything, so I just kept it like this. And then these are some paintings that I'm working on. I actually finished this. This is my baby kitty. I had to do like a monochromatic. I had to do a monochromatic painting, and this is what we came up with. And then behind it is like another painting that I'm working on, but y'all will see that in my next video, which I'm pretty sure is gonna be a paint with me. But like, you know, I went through a hat phase, so like here's some hats. I don't know. Oh my gosh, she's like some cafe lights I got from Walmart. She's a Walmart queen, period. Also, I drew this in drawing my sophomore year because this is where this is from. And then it's actually supposed to be like a collage of like stuff that I really like. So everything in this picture has meaning. I mean, we can talk about this in like a later video if y'all want. If you want to see that, like the video. Thank you. Mwah, kisses. Okay, so right here is some stuff that I drew in my free time. Yes, just drew. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, and then these are really just some spider webs that were left over from Halloween that I just didn't want to throw away. Let's back up. This is my desk area. Yes. Okay, so let's move on to the last section of my room, which would be the bathroom. But let's close the door. Let's close it. Calendar. This is my Bob Ross calendar. Isn't it lovely? And every month it has like a different painting at the top, and it also has like a different quote. So this month it says every painting is going to be different, and that's what makes it great. I'm like, oh my God, I love this. Let's go in. Boom! She's giving you ambiance. Ambiance. Everyone always talking about why would you put Christmas lights in your bathroom? Because girl, it look good. Hold on, let's give it one more time. Boom. Okay, so let's move in here. You know, hair stuff. There's like a bunch of like hair dye, hair bleach. You know, I have preached the gospel about this right here. Go get some, girl, so if you got dry skin. This is my speaker. She's like $11. Go get you a speaker, babe. Then we have like some Bath and Body Works stuff. Love these. I love anything that smells like fruit. Speaking of fruit, here's some coconut milk. We preached the gospel on this too. Oh my God, I used this can that I got from my dad and I use it. I put some marbles in it. Can y'all see it? Marbles in it so I can hold my toothbrush. Thin brush, this is the candle, wax and all that stuff. Here's me. Also keep butterflies like all up the wall. I love butterflies. Swap over. Here's some more butterflies. Period. And then we got some butterflies in the back. Love her. Stand in shower. Let's open her up. The shower caddy. All that good stuff. Yes, yes. Ma'am. And now we head back to the door. Gotta turn light off. So yeah, anyway, this is her pretty much. All this shining and glistening. This is my world. Also, the perks of having my own bathroom is that I don't have to share with these nasty gremlins I live with. But yeah, now that we've seen, you know, how I'm living and how my lifestyle is, let's wrap up the video. Peace. And that just wraps up our room tour. I hope y'all enjoyed the little ambiance, little castle, little kingdom that I've set up for myself. You know, I like to stay nice and cozy, you know, my little bear cave, period, you know, all of that. So for the algorithm, not for me, but for the algorithm, be sure to like this video. Subscribe if you want to. I mean, you're already here, shoot. I mean, what can I say? What can I do to convince you? Just do it. What's good? I won't disappoint. Promise. Mwah. Hit that subscribe. But anyway, that just about wraps up this video. Don't forget to create your own happiness, and I will see you the next time I decide to tour my kingdom with you. Matter of fact, I've been thinking about doing like a room revamp. I'm kind of going for like a 90s, early 2000s, but like aesthetic kind of thing. So like maybe a room transformation. Maybe. We'll see. Mwah.